These 5 animals can survive what would kill humans instantly. First, the Pompeii worm lives in 80 degrees Celsius water near volcanoes. That's boiling temperature. Second, tardigrades survive space, vacuum, radiation, and temperatures from -272 to 150 degrees Celsius. They're practically immortal. Third, Sahara silver ants hunt in 70 degrees Celsius sand. Their metallic hairs reflect heat. Fourth, Antarctic ice fish have natural antifreeze in their blood. They survive -2-degree water. Fifth, camels survive months without water in 50-degree deserts. Their humps store fat, not water. Which extreme survival shocks you most? Comment below.